This is the first floor plan in 833 square feet carpet area which I have created in the previous video. Here I will provide column on this plan with proper column orientation and will create ground floor plan. Hello and welcome to Civil Engineering Tutorials. I am Swati. Before we start, if you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe it and hit the bell icon so whenever I upload something new, you will get the notification immediately. Also follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter for latest updates. So let's get started. So first I'll make the column layer as current layer. Now we have to create the column. Here I will provide 9-inch by 15-inch column. So take rectangle, right click, go to dimensions. Now specify the dimension. This is 9-inch. Enter. Now 15-inch. Enter. So this is a 4th-story building. So I'll hatch this. Hatch inside. Change the color. Here we have to change the color. This is bilayer. White. I will keep bilayer. Now I will block it. Select block BL shortcut key. Now I'll rename this. Suppose here any name you can give. Here I'll take column 15. I'll give. Now select object. Enter. Click on OK. So now we have done. So I will start from this point. I'll select and copy from this point, and first we have to check the dimension, like to which side will be the orientation of column. So I'll keep it here. Now linear, this point to this point, we will provide another column here, 16 feet 9 inch this distance. So here to here, this distance 16 feet 9 inch, and here to here one column, another column will provide here. Here to here this distance is 14 feet 2 inch. So 16 feet 9 inch is longer side. So from this direction more load is coming to this column. So the shorter side of column should be oriented towards longer side. So longer side is 16 feet 9 inch, this side. So we have to orientate the shorter side of column towards longer side distance. So rotate this, enter. Okay. 16 feet 9 inch is greater than 14 feet 2 inch. That's why we have oriented towards 16 feet 9 inch length. Next, this point here to here, this distance 11 feet 2 inch. So to this point, load is coming from this direction and this direction. Now this direction is 14 feet 2 inch. Okay. So here to here, you can see here to here, it is 14 feet 2 inch. So 16 feet 9 inch minus 11 feet 2 inch, we will get 5 feet 7 inch. You can simply calculate here 16.9. You can calculate like this, 16.9 minus 11.2. Then you will get 5.7. That means 5 feet 7 inch. Okay. You can simply convert into inch and calculate like this also. 5 feet 7 inch. So the longer side is 14 feet 2 inch. So shorter side of column should be oriented towards longer side distance. So longer side is 14 feet 2 inch because more load is coming from longer distance, longer side wall or longer side distance. Okay. Now I will move this to here. Okay. Click here. Okay. The shorter side should be oriented towards longer side. Longer side is 14 feet 2 inch. Okay. Next, this. So this point to this point, load is coming from 11 feet 2 inch and from this side 14 feet 2 inch. So obviously 14 feet 2 inch is longer than 11 feet 2 inch. So longer side should be oriented towards 14 feet 2 inch distance. Select, copy. This is the base point and paste it here. I hope you can understand. So 14 feet 2 inch is longer side. So we have oriented towards longer side distance. Next, this point to this point, load is coming from this side. This is 14 feet 2 inch. This side, this distance you have to check, and this side. So we have to check these two distance. Check linear. This is 14 feet 2 inch, and here to here another column we will provide here. This is 15 feet 10 inch, and this distance will be here to, we'll take here to here. It is 16 feet 9 inch. Okay. So 15 feet 10 inch minus 14 feet 2 inch, it will be 1 feet 8 inch. So the longer side is 16 feet 9 inch obviously. So the shorter side of column should be oriented towards longer side, means 16 feet 9 inch, because this side we have to minus 15 feet 10 inch minus 14 feet 2 inch. It will be 1 feet 8 inch, and this is the longer side, 16 feet 9 inch. So shorter side will be oriented towards 16 feet 9 inch, because more load is coming from this side. 16 feet 9 inch distance, paste here. Okay. Now, next, delete these two dimensions. These two no longer required. This also. Okay. Now this point. So this point, load is coming from 16 feet 9 inch to this point. Load is coming from 16 feet 9 inch, 11 feet 1 inch, and this side 14 feet 2 inch. Okay. So 16 feet 9 inch. Here, this distance 15 feet 9 inch. Okay. So 15 feet 9 inch minus 14 feet 2 inch. It will be 1 feet 7 inch. Now 16 feet 9 inch minus 11 feet 1 inch will be 5 feet 8 inch. So which is longer? Obviously 5 feet 8 inch means 16 feet 9 inch minus 11 feet 8 inch. I will check here. 16.9 minus 11.1. It's coming 5.8 means 5 feet 8 inch. Consider this 5 feet 8 inch. Now, when we will deduct 15 feet 16 feet 9 inch minus 11 feet 8 inch, it came 5 feet 8 inch. Now 14 feet 2 inch minus 15 feet 9 inch, or 15 feet 9 inch minus 14 feet 9 inch, it's 1 feet 7 inch. So 5 feet 8 inch means this side is longer side. So shorter side of column should be oriented towards longer side distance, means this side. Okay, this side, this 16 feet 9 inch side. So select, copy. This is the base point and paste it here. Make sure all the columns should be in same grid line. Okay. All columns should be in their each grid lines. Next, this 11 feet 1 inch, this point to this point, load is coming from 11 feet 1 inch, this side 15 feet 9 inch, and upper side. So this side 15 feet 9 inch. Okay, 15 feet 9 inch. This is 11 feet 1 inch. So this is 11 feet 9 inch. This is 15 feet 9 inch. And this side we have to mention the dimension here too. Here too. Here. This is 13 feet 9 inch. So when we will deduct 15 feet 9 inch minus 13 feet 9 inch, we will get 2 feet. We can check that also. 15 feet 9 inch, 15.9 minus 13.9, we are getting 2 feet. 2. We'll consider this 2 feet. So obviously 11 feet 1 inch is longer side, so shorter side should be oriented towards this longer side, means this side. Simply what we will do, we'll simply copy. First I'll take construction line, horizontal line for reference. We need the point to paste. Select, copy this point and paste it here. Okay. Now delete this line. So we have done. Next, I hope you understand how to decide the orientation. Now we have to move this because column is coming here, so we have to move the door. Now we have to move this and trim it. Select, trim this. Okay, all right. Now move this also. Okay. So we have created the door also with door opening. Okay. Now next column, delete this dimension, all the extra dimensions we have deleted. Okay. Next, this point. So to this point, load is coming from this column here to here. This distance is 16 feet 2 inch. Column means beam. Load is coming through beam also, right? Then this distance 8 feet 11 inch. Now here make a vertical line, and here to here this distance 11 feet 2 inch. Okay, so 16 feet 2 inch minus 8 feet 11 inch. This is horizontal line we will take. Copy, paste it here, because 16 feet 2 inch minus 8 feet 11 inch, it became 7 feet 3 inch. So 11 feet 2 inches longer side. So shorter side, it's oriented towards longer side, means 11 feet 2 inch side. Next, this point here to here, this distance 16 feet 8 inch, and this side 11 feet 2 inch, and here to here this distance 8 feet 11 inch. So 6, and this distance 14 feet 8 inch. Okay, so the load is coming 14 feet 8 inch minus 8 feet 11 inch. It will come 5 feet 9 inch, and 16 feet 8 inch, 5 feet 9 inch, 16 feet 8 inch minus 11 feet 2 inch. It will come 5 feet 6 inch. Okay, so 5 feet 9 inch we will take longer side. So 14 feet 8 inch minus 8 feet 11 inch. This is the longer side. So should be shorter side of column should be oriented towards like this, means 14 feet 8 inch and 11 feet 8 feet 11 inch, means vertically we have to provide here. We have to place here vertically. Select, move and paste it here. We have to keep all the grid line in same one grid line, or one grid line column should be in each grid line should be on same grid line. Okay, now here to here distance 15 feet 5 inch to this column, to this point. Here to here load is coming 16 feet 9 inch to from this side. So 16 feet 9 inch is longer side. Sorry, this side also load is coming. So 8 feet 11 inch. Okay, so 15 feet 9 inch minus 8 feet 11 inch. So it will be 6 feet 6 inch. Okay, now 16 feet. This is 16 feet 9 inch. Okay, select, copy and paste it here, because 16 feet 9 inch is longer side. So we'll paste like this. 15 feet 9 inch minus 8 feet 11 inch, 6 feet 6 inch. Okay, okay, so longer side is 16 feet 9 inch. So shorter side is oriented towards longer side. Now move the door to here. As column is coming here, we have to move this. Also move this to here and trim extra lines. Okay. And delete this dimension lines. Now we have to provide here also columns. Okay. So first here, this point, delete this. So to this point, load is coming from this side and this side. So this side here to here, this distance 16 feet 9 inch. So 16 feet 9 inch is longer side. So shorter side should be oriented towards 16 feet 9 inch, means longer side. Next, this point to this point, load is coming from this side and this side. So this is 16 feet 9 inch and this side, we'll check here to here. This is 8 feet 11 inch. So longer side is obviously 16 feet 9 inch. So same shorter side. So sorry, this side also load will become, right? So 16 feet 9 inch minus 11 feet 2 inch. So here load is coming from three directions. 16 feet 9 inch, 11 feet 2 inch, and from upper side 8 feet 11 inch. So 16 feet 9 inch minus 11 feet 2 inch, it will be 5 feet 7 inch. So 8 feet 11 inches longer side. So shorter side should be oriented towards 8 feet 11 inch, means vertically we have to place here like this. Okay. Now the last column here we can provide small column also. If we can provide a smaller column, or we can provide this same size column also. So delete all this. So this load is coming this side 11 feet 2 inch and this side 8 feet 11 inch. So longer side is 11 feet 2 inch. If we will provide here, you can provide to any direction, but if we will provide this column, so we have to provide like this. Shorter side should be oriented towards longer side, means 11 feet 2 inch this side direction. Now if you want to provide a small column here, suppose you can also provide here 9 inch into 9 inch column, as you have three sides column. So we can provide also 9 inch into 9 inch column here. Right click, go to dimensions, 9 inch, enter 9 inch, enter. Okay. The 9 inch by 9 inch column we can also provide here. But here, as per to make it more safe, structurally more safe, we will provide the same size column only also. Also, you can provide this column. Okay. But to make it structurally more safe, we will provide here the same size column. We will not keep it 9 inch by 9 inch. We will keep this column. Okay. So we have provided all columns with proper column orientation. I hope you understood how to provide columns with proper column orientation. So now we will create the ground floor plan. This is the first floor plan. This is fourth story plan. Now I'll copy this. This is the base point. I'll paste it here. Now this is the ground floor plan. Carpet area will be same. Okay. So this is bedroom. Here the entry. You can see this is the how this is the staircase. Okay. So in ground floor we have to delete all extra this to utilities. All these extra lines we have to delete all extra things, because here we will only two rooms will be there. This room, enter, join this, also join this line, join this bedroom and this toilet. We will keep all the rooms we will delete, because we will create the parking area. Delete all walls and rooms. delete everything. Make sure you should not delete the column. Delete all the internal wall lines. Now, Excel vertical line here. Now trim. You have to trim from here and delete this. Also delete this. This is all extra walls and everything we have to delete, because in ground floor we will keep one room, one toilet, like 1 hour, and the whole area will be the parking area for this fourth floor building. Now we have to provide boundary wall here. So we will vertical line, construction line, vertical line. I'll extend this line towards this. Delete this line. Now here, fillet this here to here. There also. Now here, draw a line, this point to this point. Okay. We'll do match properties. This. Okay. Right. So this will be the parking area. So boundary wall will be here. So give offset distance 3 inch. 3 inch boundary wall will be here. Offset to internal side. Offset to inner side here. Here also. And here also. Okay. Now we have to fillet this. Delete. All right. So this is the boundary wall, and in main entrance we will provide gate. Here we will provide the gate. So for that, give offset distance 2 inch. Select, click in internal side. Now trim. For that, we have to take construction line, vertical line. Click here. Trim these two lines. Trim. And now we have to extend the staircase till here. We have to take one more vertical line here. So simply we will move this. And we have to extend this to here and delete this. Same we have to do in first floor also. Delete this. Now we have to just give a vertical line here and trim. Select this line. Make column layer, turn up the column layer. Now we can trim it nicely. Select this line and trim these two lines. Now turn on column layer. Alright. So we have done. This is the gate. We have to trim from here also. Again, turn off the column layer. Sorry. Take a vertical line first. Now turn off the column layer and trim this extra line. Now delete this and turn on the column layer. Alright. So this is the gate. We have to change the line type. Dashed line, right click, go to properties. Make the line type 20. This is the iron gate. Okay. This is the parking area. Okay. This is the ground floor parking area. This 3 inch boundary wall. This is parking area. Here to here, this distance is 38 feet 5 inch, and this side it is here to here, 27 feet 4 inch. So specify the dimension. This is 27 feet 4 inch. And this side 38 feet 5 inch. Delete this. Sorry. Now right click, go to properties, change the height 1 feet, and this I will keep, select this, I will keep this 9 inch. Okay. Move this little this side. Okay, this is the parking area. 27 feet 4 inch, 38 feet 5 inch parking. This is the ground floor plan. Its carpet area is 833 square feet. This is first floors. Same we have to do here also. Now delete. So the ground floor is one room and toilet, and others are parking area. And in first floor it is the 2 BHK. So here we will go, and here we will reach in first floor. And this is the entrance, main entrance. Okay, this is room. This is the toilet. This is the ground floor plan, and this is the first floor plan. This is the parking. In ground floor, this is the parking. And in first floor, it will be the 2 BHK. Here, we will reach in this first floor. Here, the main entrance is the living room. 2 bedrooms, 1 kitchen, 1 balcony, 1 utility, 1 sit-out, and the staircase. And 1 entrance balcony also will be there. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and comment. Thank you for watching the video.